Today we are going back in time and taking a look at the Ford F-350 Duallie pickup truck kit from Monogram. It is today's What's in the Box. So this kit initially got started in 1991 as the F-250, and then the 350 followed suit later that year. In 1998 it got a rebox, and in 2005 it got another rebox. In 2010, the F-250 finally got a reissue, and this got a reissue in 2016 with a new set of decals. 1/24 scale full engine detail kit. Let's check it out. Getting started now with the cab. Now taking a look at the part of the body parts tree, if you will. The part of the bed and the rest of the cab parts is a multi-piece bed, as you can see. Getting started now with the frame parts tree, which also has the bed of the bed. So you have the dual tank setup molded into the frame. Nice metallic-ish gray color is molded in. Good amount of flash back there. There's a rear tire carrier. Got the rear axles. Now we're going to take a look at the interior parts tree, which also has some other bits on it as well. Okay, you have a couple of engine pieces. There's a drive shaft. Now we're going to take a look at the engine parts tree. This piece also came off. It's accounted for. It just came off. It goes on there somewhere, I'm guessing. I'm not sure what piece it is. I think it's part of the air cleaner. Next, we're going to take a look at the chrome parts tree, and you can see there are a good amount of chrome parts. Wheels, see you have 5 sets of wheels, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear, and 1 for the spare, along with the F-350 fender emblems. Multi-piece side mirrors, front bumper, front grille piece. The rear bumper, part of the engine, door handles, a ball hitch, cab marker lights, cab roof marker lights, the wipers, the rear bumper, exhaust tips there. Step part of the bumper, the roll bars for the bed. We're going to take a look at the clear and transparent clear parts tree. You have the main parts tree here, which has your front and rear windows, the rear extended cab windows, headlights, turn signal, and then the tail light lenses that are molded in transparent red. And now I'm taking a look at the roundy rounds, which are going to be a set of Goodyear GT radios, and you do get 7 of them. Now we will turn our attention to the decal sheet, which is really basic. You just get some engine compartment decals, and that is. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Ford F-350 pickup kit from Monogram. Yes, I'm pretty certain that you can get yourself some Ford F-350, early 90s Ford F-350 color match paint from Jameson and Scalefinishes. I don't see why not. On that note, thanks for watching.